Joining me now to share more is JP Richardson. He is Exodus's co-founder and CEO. JP, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you for having me here, especially on such an exciting day.
Yes, Santa is here. He
yes.
rang the bell. It's a very, very exciting morning at the New York Stock Exchange. Before we dive into the news, break down Exodus for us. What is your position in the cryptocurrency ecosystem?
Yeah, Exodus is an app to manage a portfolio of cryptocurrency. So 6 million people trust Exodus to keep their crypto safe worldwide.
All right, and how are you doing that?
It's all through the app itself, and consumers hold the keys directly inside the app itself.
Amazing. And earlier this week, you announced the acquisition of W3C Corp. What new opportunities does this give Exodus?
So what's so cool about this is that we have consumers worldwide that are holding crypto in their Exodus wallet. They're holding stable coins. You've no doubt heard how popular stable coins have become. And they have not had the ability to actually use their stable coins in real world use cases, like to be able to go buy groceries or buy lunch. And so what buying W3C allows Exodus to do is give our consumers the ability to use their crypto, use their stable coins at the point of sale through the Visa and MasterCard network. That's what it unlocks for consumers.
How do you think that's going to change consumers' relationship with crypto?
Oh, I mean, now it's not just, I'm going to buy Bitcoin and hope hope the value goes up. Now it's about actually using crypto on the daily basis. That's why it's so important.
All right, and in a statement, you said the acquisition positions Exodus as, quote, the only platform you need for your money. Why is that?
Because now a consumer can hold Bitcoin, they can hold Ethereum, they can hold their stable coins, and then they can easily use it every single day. That's why this is so important.
And where are you seeing the most demand across your platform?
It's with Bitcoin and stable coins. Of course, there's going to be some really popular assets like Solana, but mostly with Bitcoin and stable coins.
Why do you think you're seeing the most traction in those areas?
Because if you think about it, worldwide, people want the dollar, right? That's compared to a lot of their own currencies. If you consider somebody in Argentina, right? Somebody in Argentina, the Argentinian peso has inflation of over 100% year over year. So for them to actually hold dollars and to protect their value, that's what they really care about. And so that's why we see so much high demand for stable coins.
And I understand you're trying to make crypto more practical for everyday use, as you shared, like using it at a point of sale. Have you faced any challenges in bringing this vision to life?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, there's no doubt that to build a company like this, you're going to face regulatory challenges, you're going to face consumer experience challenges, but buying these companies and to create this secure experience is very difficult to do, but we're glad that we're finally to this point to allow people to make this easy to use.
And I understand in my own research and interviews that the regulatory environment around crypto is changing. How have you seen it change, and when have you seen the biggest shift happen?
Oh, I mean, there's no doubt with the change of the administration that the regulatory environment has become much more favorable to crypto. Because now we have policymakers that want clear regulation, clear rules for companies to operate and execute. And so this has been really valuable for us, and so that's why we really care about this.
What are the biggest goals for Exodus in 2026?
To release these crypto debit cards worldwide.
All right. Thank you so much, JP Richardson, Exodus's co-founder and CEO, for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you.